Welcome back to another tech video with 99 reviews, and today I am going to tell you about two major upgrades in Notes app in iPhone which will make it more useful. The Apple Notes app is a cultural fixture as well as an essential tool, and it looks like Apple is going to supercharge the iconic app in iOS 18, the next major update for Apple's flagship mobile operating system. iOS 18 is expected to be previewed alongside the latest versions of its other platform operating systems at WWDC 2024, Apple's software-centric conference primarily aimed at developers, which kicks off on June 8th. Reports from Apple Insider are that two impressive features are expected to be revealed. First is support for audio recordings directly within the app, akin to the Voice Memos app, but better integrated. This feature is currently being developed for iOS 18 and macOS 15, and a version for the newest iteration of iPadOS can be expected soon after. The feature will give users basic playback features for audio recordings, letting them record, play, and save entries right in the Notes app. It will also let users make more complex entries to detail the audio they save. The second major upgrade in Notes app is Math Notes feature, which will enable the Notes app to interact with the Calculator app. Presumably, this will allow the Notes app to enlist the Calculator app to make calculations as users are entering them in Notes, though there's no indication of how complex these calculations might be. So, that's it for the Notes update in iPhone. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.